Hey guys, I'm Anastasia and you asked me to try some more Polygel similar products. So today I will be testing Nailcou Healthy Fashion Acrylic Gel product. It is made in China, as we can see, in Guangzhou, and it costs about $3 the whole tube, but for some reason in Russia it's about $30. So they have many different products and I really look forward to try. I haven't tried any kind of product with such price yet, so I feel excited. So I have several tubes here and let's take a look. I'm really curious how the colors will look. Okay, so this is probably clear. Yeah, well, it looks... Oh, we have a cat here. So clear looks nice. It actually looks grainy a little bit, like there's acrylic in it. Oh, not bad. Also we have an... Oh, this is actually exciting. Check out black polygel. I haven't seen colorful acrylic gel products yet, so I'm really curious how it is gonna work on the nail. And it looks, the color looks pretty intense. So yeah, that's exciting. Also there is a white. Oh, white is actually pretty bright. So as you can see, I applied them here and the product does not really move, so the consistency is pretty thick, which is good. When the product is so cheap, I always try to smell it first. I'm always afraid that it's gonna smell ridiculous, and well, it doesn't really smell very bad. So this is honestly, I thought it's like cover pink, but I think it's translucent pink. So as you see, it's pretty grainy, like we actually mixed acrylic powder right into gel. And this color, it looks pretty good right here. Well, it's actually more like Barbie pink, but still it's nice. Also there is, oh, another pink, which is better. I think I like this color most, but this pink is like closer to clear pink. This is how it looks like. And we have a cover pink, which is more like beige, and it actually looks too peachy, like, you know, you apply too much bronzer on your face, and this is usually how it looks like. So it's pretty beige, but I think the colors also look pretty intense. So these are the colors that we have. I think this clear pink and this one, they're gonna look nice. So I think I'm going to try all pinks and clear as well. Also they have a prep product, so they have Ultra Bond Primer, pH Bond. So we are going to use pH Bond first and Ultra Primer after that. And well, there's no ingredients, which is not nice. So you don't have to cure any of those in the lamp, you just apply them on the nail. Also they have a base gel, and honestly I was looking really hard but I couldn't find any instructions. So I try to use it. I will try to use it on one nail and I will not use it on another nail, and we'll just see how it will work out. And also they have a top gel, which is sock off UV LED. So this is supposedly, oh, no wipe steel top coat. Nice. So this is Seal Our Design. I'm actually curious. Like I said, I never tried anything that cheap, so I'm really curious how it will work out. I did the prep and applied the form. Now I'm applying that pH bond and primer right after that. And according to their technology, we need to apply base coat. The brush is pretty big, so it's kind of hard to apply it very thin, but I'll try. So I will apply it only on the natural nail, and whoops, there's a drop accidentally on the form, and we definitely need to clean it because it won't be comfortable to work with that. And after that I will cure it for 30 seconds in LED, and then I will remove the sticky layer because it will definitely not be comfortable to work on it, as the surface will be very sticky and slippery and we will simply not be able to work with it properly. It's kind of hard to squeeze it from the jar, so I take the nude color and apply it right on the nail. As you can see, it's pretty grainy and feels pretty hard. I mean, rather than gelish polygel. Okay, and I will start the application. By the way, I'm using my old Super Nail Acrylic Kolinsky number 8 brush because working with this kind of product I don't feel like using my favorite brush, and that's why it looks a little weird, I know. So I'm working near the cuticle area, and well, honestly, it feels a lot like a mixture I did 7 years ago when I mixed builder gel and acrylic powder. And when I tried to work with it, that's exactly how it felt. Okay, so I'm doing the cuticle area, and then I take the product and slightly stretch it. So as the product feels pretty hard, it is probably much better to use different brush like synthetic, but once you get used to it with this brush, as you can see, it's still possible to work with this product as well. I'm using alcohol when I feel that the product is sticking to the brush too much, and well, it's actually possible to do it smooth. Maybe it's not that bad after all. So we will definitely need to add some product here on the sides because I thought I took pretty large amount, but still not enough. So when you feel like adding some product, use orange wood stick or metal spatula. Do not try to do it with a brush because it will be ruined for sure. And then I will add this product in the corner because we want to get a short square shape here. I really want to fix the side walls and the free edge, so I will not have to file a lot. So I'm doing the best I can with the brush. Well, the color actually looks very orange tan, you know, like Donald Trump's skin tone, I think. So I would definitely recommend them to use less brown pigment. Okay, after curing I remove the form, and then it is time to pinch. So I cured for 45 seconds in LED lamp, and then I pinch it with my tool, and oh, okay, there's actually on the right side there's a small crack appeared, and that's exactly what happened when I tried to pinch the mixture with my powder and builder gel. After full cure it still looks kind of shiny and sticky. Well, so this is the result, and let's try another nail. So this one we will try without the base coat, but I applied pH bond and primer. This is something we need at all times. And this time I will be trying clear, and it's grainy as well. But actually when I tried to do my clear mixture, when I mixed clear acrylic powder with builder gel, it looked about the same, but after curing it was never really clear. So let's see what's gonna happen here. So this one is also pretty hard. I mean, you need to push hard, so this product was definitely designed for some synthetic brush, not for some, you know, soft Kolinsky ones. And first I always do, okay, there's the bubble and we need to get rid of it. So it is better to use orange wood stick or something else because my brush is not hard enough to fix that. Okay, so now we have a bump here and we need to fix it. You know, working with the clear is actually fun because you can see through and see what's going on there and see all bubbles, because sometimes in nude colors you can simply miss it because you won't see it through the product. Okay, so I'm working near the cuticle area, and well, from the second attempt I kind of start to get used to this product, so maybe it is possible to work with it. And we need to do here again the short square shape. And working on the clear forms is also like my life hack, working with polygels, because they allow you to fully cure the product from all sides. But be careful when you're working with the clear forms. If you will apply the product too thick, with some brands you might experience heat spikes. But by the way, with this product there were no heat spikes at all. So I'm working with the whole body of my brush. I really want to do my best to keep the surface as smooth as possible. I also want to keep the cuticle thin, because filing product near the cuticle is pretty hard and we don't want to damage the cuticle. If you notice that some product is already on the skin, just use spatula or orange wood stick to fix it. That's exactly what I did now. Okay, then we cure and pinch, and then it's time to file. And oh my god, ladies, this product is so hard. I mean, I never worked even with acrylic and it felt so hard to file. And again, disclaimer, it feels exactly like the mixture I did when I mixed the gel and acrylic powder, and it was so extremely hard to file it, and that's exactly how it feels. You know, actually, it even feels like I'm filing like MMA acrylic, those old restricted kind of acrylics. It's hard as a rock. I mean, I'm using almost new 180 and it takes me so much effort to make it smooth. I mean, I tried to do my best with the brush so I won't have to file a lot, but even this retouch with the file is pretty hard. I mean, that was a smart move to test it only on 3 nails, because if I did all 10, I just can't imagine what would happen to my muscles. They will be definitely sore, like after a hard workout. Okay, so near the cuticle, it's still too hard to file, so I'm thinking of switching to my drill bit. So I'm using the carbide cone drill bit with a green abrasive, because I don't feel like using file there. I mean, it's just too hard and I still want the cuticle to be nice and smooth. So this product is definitely extremely hard to file, and as you can see, the surface, I mean, after filing it with 180, the surface is kind of porous. I mean, it's not perfectly smooth, which also makes me wondering. Okay, now this is gonna take a while to file all that. This was definitely the hardest filing experience in my life. I mean, this is so hard to file. I usually never use 150, especially 100 grit file for filing, but here I had to use it, as well as the carbide bit to do the cuticle area. So I don't know, maybe they mixed MMA powder. I don't even know what to suggest, but this is so hard to file. So with this product you definitely need to sculpt it perfectly, so you will not have to waste your time on this filing. So after that I buffed it and we decided to apply a semi-translucent pink gel polish to make the colors look a little bit the same, and sealed it with a top coat. So my conclusion is, this is kind of what you get for $2. I mean, I didn't really expect much from this product, and it's really hard to sculpt with it, extremely hard to file. In Russia, it's actually $30 for a tube, and this is definitely the price I will not pay for. So my conclusion is, guys, please work with the professional products. Even though this set, it did last for 3 weeks, so it was okay, but still in terms of working with it, our health, it's still more valuable. I mean, if we will end up with our pain in the arms and fingers and wrists for the rest of the day, it's still not worth it. Also, please let me know, have you had any experience with Chinese or other cheap polygel like products? I'm just wondering if they're all like that, or maybe there are some different ones I should also try. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing as I post product reviews, nail art tutorials just like this one every week. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!